Alright, guys. So, due to popular demand, I'm gonna just go over the question how to create an Amazon seller account in 2022. This article is courtesy junglescout.com. Um, so I'm just gonna read out the article and I'm gonna give a step-by-step tutorial later. So, how to create an Amazon seller account in 2022? Sharing is caring. All that share stuff. No one tweets anymore, it seems. So check this out. So as Amazon continues to grow, opportunities to build an e-commerce business by selling on the site grows as well. E-commerce underwent an incredible surge in 2020 as consumers shifted from in-store shopping to online. As the year progressed, 34% of consumers said their online spending had increased even while their overall spending dropped. By the end of 2020, 74% of consumers believed that the majority of consumer shopping would happen online in the future, up from 69% just months earlier. So these trends indicate that the year ahead holds immense potential for e-commerce entrepreneurs. However, if you want to take advantage of the enormous opportunity Amazon presents, you must first go through the Amazon seller registration process. All right, so to make sure your account is verified, giving you the chance to build a successful Amazon business, we'll walk you through the updated process. Here's what we cover: how to start an Amazon business, how to create a seller account, how much does it cost to sell Amazon, what else should you know before selling on Amazon. So how to start an Amazon business. I'm just gonna read the main points. So the question is, what's great about Amazon is that there's no one way to start an Amazon business. Okay, from the business model you may choose to the products you decide to sell, there are many ways to succeed on the platform. However, the steps required to get up and running on Amazon remains the same regardless of the type of business model and product you choose. So number one, first start by deciding which business model you want to use. There's private label, there's wholesale, online and or retail arbitrage, there's drop shipping, and handmade. So many people just think you could just go and become a reseller, but there's a lot. So private labeling is the process of a retailer rebranding or renaming a product that is already being manufactured on their own brand or label. Wholesale. Wholesaling is the practice of purchasing low cost or discounted goods in bulk in order to sell as individual units in a retail marketplace. Online or retail arbitrage is a method of finding low cost or discount goods in brick and mortar retail stores or on e-commerce sites in order to resell them online. And drop shipping, most people know about drop shipping. That's the main one a lot of people know about. It's a business model where an Amazon seller does not keep their own product inventory, but instead transfers their customers' orders directly to the manufacturer or supplier. And then there's handmade. Amazon handmade sellers are people who create their own products or to by hand. Wait. Amazon's handmade sellers are people who create their own products to sell on the Amazon marketplace. So examples include jewelry, accessories, home decor, and more. Another place for that would be Etsy. Number two, after you've landed on a business model, it's time to decide which fulfillment method you use. So you have options. You have two options: fulfillment by Amazon (FBA) or fulfillment by merchant (FBM). Honestly, personally speaking, I've had the most success with FBA, fulfillment by Amazon, because fulfillment by merchant can be a bit dodgy at times. There are pros and cons for both methods, so make sure you look closely at both to determine which one will work best for your business. Number three, next, consider the products you're going to sell. If you have a product, say you create your own handcrafted items, you may be ready to go, but you should still follow this step to validate that your product will have sufficient demand on Amazon. To help you find products to sell that are in high demand but low in competition, make sure you use a tool like Jungle Scout. Haha. So we're going to check out Jungle Scout. Once you found a product, apply to become an Amazon seller. All right, so more details on how to complete the Amazon seller registration process is in the next section. Then when Amazon has verified your information and your application has been approved, start sourcing your products. If you've chosen to sell private label, you can find a manufacturer to create your product by using Jungle Scout Supplier Database or Alibaba. Yes, shameless plug from Jungle Scout because I'm reading their article. So check us out. Jungle Scout is a software to succeed on Amazon. Start, grow, and manage your business with Jungle Scout. Shameless plug. All right. They have quite a bit. Yeah. So they're the go-to tool when it comes to Amazon with regards to products and analytics and all that good stuff. All right, let's go back to the article. So how to create a seller account on Amazon. Go to services.amazon.com. To scroll down the page, below the heading, become an Amazon seller. Number three, choose between an individual or professional seller account. Number four, enter your email and select create new account. All right. So this will take to a second screen asking you to enter one-time password generated by Amazon, which will be sent to the email address you provided in the previous screen. All right. Guys, there's a link to this article in the what's it called in the description. All right. Um, so after you've added the OTP to its corresponding field, click the Create Your Amazon Account button. Number five, choose your business location and business type. The next step in the Amazon seller registration process is to share the following information: your business location, the country in which your business is located. It's extremely important that this is accurate as Amazon will be verifying it. See step 10. Your business type. You'll be able to choose your business entity from the following options, most fall into a privately owned category. So the state-owned business, publicly owned business, privately owned business, charity, none, I'm an individual. Your full name, you have to enter all that stuff. Number six, enter your personal information. Number seven, choose your marketplace. This one is worth mentioning. Once you've completed the individual information section, check the box below the marketplace says. This refers to the location of an Amazon store. For example, Amazon CA.co.uk. So that's Canada, US, UK. I think there's NZ as well for New Zealand and AU for Australia. This is so the location you'd like to sell, and then click next. Enter your billing information. Another way Amazon is now verifying a potential seller's identity to make sure the credit card information is valid. So after you've chosen your marketplace, you'll be asked to enter in the number expiration date of one of your credit cards as well as the name that appears on the card. All right. So check this out. When you've done, click next. Add the information for your products and Amazon store. So after you supply your credit card info and it's been validated, you'll be asked a few questions. So there we go. So you'll be asked the name of your Amazon store, whether or not you have UPC codes for your product, if you are the manufacturer and or brand owner of the product you're selling, if you have a registered trademark for your product. All right. So store information. So you enter all that good stuff. Number 10, address validation. Lastly, when you've completed all the other steps in the verification process, you'll be asked to confirm the business address you provided in step six. All right. The personal information screen. All right, so after completing the confirm, the address is displayed correctly, new screen will appear. That's when you'll receive a postcard at the address along with verification code. Then when you receive the card, it's similar to, wait, let me just finish read. Then when you receive the card, enter the code provided into the enter code below field and click next to finish the verification process. So similar to Google My Business, where you get a postcard to verify your address. All right, so once you verified, you're in. All right. To be on the safe side, we recommend you set up two-step verification on your account for increased security. But once your identity of business and business information has been verified, all you need to do is get started is to log into the Amazon Seller Central. All right. And this is what your seller account home screen will look like without any sales yet, of course. All right. All right. So note that the Amazon seller registration process has recently changed to aid in its verification of your seller information. All right. So how much does it cost to sell on Amazon? What's great about selling on Amazon is that you can get started without spending any money. However, if you plan to use a private label business model, there are costs involved in order to purchase your inventory before you sell. You sell it at a higher price, that is. But it may not be as expensive as you might think. In fact, Amazon, according to the Jungle Scout survey, shameless plug, more than 1,000 Amazon sellers, 17% started their businesses with less than $500, though the average reported cost is 3,836 bucks. Plus, regardless of your chosen fulfillment method, there will be some fees associated with your seller account. So what are Amazon's fees? Here are a few of Amazon's fees. So the Amazon referral fee. This is a fee that Amazon takes as a commission for selling on its platform. It varies from category to category, but ranges between 12 to 40%. Most products have a 15% referral fee. And you have an individual seller fee. This is a flat 99 cents added to each sale you make on top of the referral fee. But sellers only have to pay this per item fee if they've opted for an individual seller account rather than a professional plan. Now, here's the important one: FBA fees fulfilled by Amazon fees. So, if you use Amazon's FBA program, you'll have to cover the shipping and handling costs for Amazon. This usually works out to roughly $3 for small items weighing no more than a pound. The fee goes up as items get heavier or larger. Other Amazon fees, you may also have long-term inventory storage fees if you use Amazon FBA, media fees, selling books, DVDs, etc., and advertising costs. All right, so what else should you know before selling on Amazon? There are a few more Amazon selling basics that you should know. Amazon bestseller rank, BSR. Amazon organizes all of its products by giving each a bestseller rank, BSR. The more popular an item and the more sales it makes, the higher the BSR. In addition, departments, or so-called parent categories on Amazon, have their own taxonomy of BSRs and do their subcategories. All right, selling on Amazon Prime. If you're using Amazon's FBA program and you have enough inventory to spread around through its fulfillment network, then your product will qualify for Amazon Prime. Selling Prime is key to being successful on Amazon as it means your products will be shipped to customers within 2 to 3 days. I agree wholeheartedly with that. Plus, you get the Amazon Prime badge on your listing. That makes a difference, which means you'll have a better chance of selling your product. Customers love fast shipping, me included. But if you sell an FBM fulfilled by merchant, you could still sell Prime as a merchant fulfilled network seller. To do so, however, you'll have to apply to Amazon Sellers Fulfilled Prime program. All right. Training for new Amazon sellers. So here at Jungle Scout. So shameless plug from Jungle Scout. So conclusion, now that you know how easy it is to go through Amazon seller registration process and start an Amazon business, don't waste any more time. Start your selling journey today. All right, so click the link below. This article was written by Greg Mercer, founder at Jungle Scout. He loves all things FBA, Amazon data nerd, caffeine enthusiast, happy fanatic. Tweet him. Cool. So yeah, guys. Click the link in the description to sign up, get a free trial of Jungle Scout, and to read the full article in depth. All right, cheers for now. Bye bye.